Most companies are focused on running their business, not their technology infrastructure. Yet continued success is tied to how effectively this technology supports daily operations. Ensuring that your business-critical technology investments are prioritized, deployed, and managed effectively are challenges that require focus and technical expertise beyond simply maintaining and managing daily IT operations. A partnership with an experienced and trustworthy IT outsourcing firm can help launch your business forward. iCorps Encompass program delivers reliable system performance by providing the depth, breadth, and skills of a full IT department at a fraction of the cost. Predictable spend and a scheduled delivery format help optimize your IT budget while delivering the greatest value and performance from your technology investments. Here's how it works. iCorps Encompass provides a dedicated team of consultants who work in collaboration with you to supplement your personal IT staff or operate as your full-service IT department if you don't currently have one. The program is customized around your business's unique needs and delivers 5 IT components critical to maintaining your system's peak performance. These components come at a predictable spend and include on-site scheduled maintenance visits, unlimited help desk, 24/7 monitoring, IT leadership, advisory services, account management, and procurement.